What is up everyone, JFLORES here for the vlog, and today we're gonna make some cheesy macaroni salad. Let's go. Intro. So for today, this is gonna be a part of my 5-minute dish playlist, I guess. And just bear in mind nga na-prep na ni tanan, already cooked the pasta, already cooked the chicken, the vegetables and whatnot. Para, you know, shortcut na lang ta and we could just shrink it in sa 5-minute vlog na to. Para sa di mo ma-bored nga magluto ko pasta and I still cook the chicken and potatoes and whatnot. So with that, no, not yet. Reminders again guys, I do have an ongoing giveaway, please do check that out. I will be drawing the winners soon. Good luck to all of you. By the way, this recipe I got probably way back when my mom was still cooking this and my auntie sa akong nanay. So I did not ask for the recipe. I was just observing them on how to do that and whatnot. Well, their recipe is more on kind of bland and kind of boring. Sorry. Pero now we kind of made it our own, my own. And I'm proud to say it is effing good. So I'm gonna share it with you guys. Let's go, let's get to cooking. Game.
So let's start. You need some macaroni, obviously. Some mayonnaise. I just transferred that one there. Cream. Pineapples. For those who love pineapples. Cheers. Some Quickmelt cheese, carrots, potatoes, and boneless chicken, and lastly some condensed milk. Please don't mind the Jack Daniels and the wine behind you. That's my father's doing. So basically, I usually start by adding some salt to pasta. Kaya wala man siya lasa. This is simple, but this will enhance the flavor, trust me. And continue with the dry ingredients like the veg, the chicken, and whatnot. So now you just have to mix it very well, and then the wet ingredients shall follow. So we'll start with the mayo, followed by the condensed milk, and then the cream. Me, usually, I mix this one after the other para ma-mix ko siyang tarong ba? So basically what we'll do here from this point on is just mix everything up and then we're almost done. And then lastly, the cheese. Please leave some behind pang garnish later. You could just put it on top just to make it look cheesier.
So that is it for the vlog. I hope you had fun. I hope nalingaw ka mo and you should try that one at home. And again, reminder guys, please stay at home. Please stop TikTok. Lagot no TikTok bitaw. Instead of mag-TikTok, just, you know, watch my other vlogs and learn how to cook para mabusog and manambok mo tanan, mga mong nako. So that is it. God bless. Peace.